today I'm going to show you how I got this really simple low messy bun, perfect for summer. It like takes you less than a minute, I swear to God. So I hope that you like it, and let's get into it. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is spray this mane and tail hair strengthener on my hair. It's like a leave-in conditioner, so you can put it on your hair after you get out of the shower or when it's dry. It just adds some moisture and conditioning to your hair and also acts as a heat protectant, which is so important, especially in the summer when your hair starts to get a little bit dry and frazzled. You just want to add as much moisture back into your hair as possible. So now I'm just gonna pull my hair into a low ponytail using this bungee cord elastic. If I am in a hurry, I just kind of skip this step because it's not totally necessary. But if you want your hair to stay put like for long hauls of time, or if you're like going to a party, you don't want to deal with it slipping out, this just adds some extra security, and you know that it won't like be budging throughout the day. So basically I'm just going to take all of my hair and pull it into a low ponytail using the bungee cord. Then you just stick one of the sides in, pull, and then stick the other side in. I like to pull out pieces around my face. So from my ears and right here, make the style a little bit more messy. And then I'm going to just pull at the crown of my head to add some volume right here. Now is the bun part. So I just take a hair elastic and I create a ponytail once through. And then on the second time through, you're gonna leave a little bun, like that. This works if you have long or short hair, because then you're gonna take the tail, however long or short it is, wrap it around the elastic, and then tuck it into this other side of the elastic, and then you have like a loose end. That's how it looks just straight off the bat. I either use bobby pins or this little contraption right here that's like a spiral for making buns. It's actually really helpful. And I'm just gonna twist that into the style. Now that this super easy style is done, I'm going to use the Mane and Tail Shine On spray. It's like a high gloss finishing spray. Not necessarily like a hairspray, but more to tame any frizz or like give it some extra shine once you are done with your style. I'm just gonna spray this onto the style and kind of comb my fingers through to make sure that it looks nice and put together. And that is the completed style. It is so easy. Now you can see what I mean about not having to do that first elastic. I also think that this style is super cute, styled a couple of different ways, so I'll show you two different ways that I would style it. I would just pop a hat on top. It's kind of the perfect wide brim hat hairstyle, even a baseball cap, because it's low enough that it doesn't actually like inhibit wearing a hat, and it just makes your hair look like a little bit more put together than just wearing it down. I think that this is like my go-to with a hat hairstyle. And the other way that is super cute to style this is take an old handkerchief and fold it in half and then roll it up. And where your elastic was showing over here, there was a bobby pin covering it, but I would just take the handkerchief, loop it in, and tie a knot. It's just another really cute way to style it like a little bit differently. Or you can just do both. So I want to thank Mane and Tail for sponsoring this video. I hope that you guys liked it, and I will see you again soon.